everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Stems Life and Spices, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make bole and grilled fish. But yes, let me just tell you a little story. So I'm among those people that you would say that they don't like bole. The only time you're going to see me eating plantain if it is fried. If it's fried, I'm going to eat it. In fact, I can eat plantain every blessed day. But you see, when it's boiled or roasted, count me out. But then I would say it's just because I never really tried it out. Maybe that's why I just ended up hating what I didn't like. Something I had never even tried out. So that was how, like, few months ago I decided to, you know what, normally whenever I want to do grilled fish, I'll do roasted yam instead. Even if I do roasted bole, I'll just share it to my family members and I'll just take the yam. So one day I was like, you know what, let me just try this bole. Why does everybody like bole? That's how I decided that day I was going to eat this bole. I need to know why people keep buying it. And that was it. The first time I had it, I was like, wait, why did I even say I don't like bole? In fact, I deserve cane. But yeah, that's fine. Now I'm a bole girl. I like bole. So let's just get into it. So for this bole, I used my paprika, my cayenne pepper, fish seasoning, onion powder. I didn't have garlic powder at home, so if you have it, you can use it. Then I just put a little bit of Maggi spice, but you can do without it. Once you're done with that, you're just going to mix it up. Then you apply a little bit of oil, that's red oil, then a little bit of groundnut oil. You don't want your fish not to be saucy. So because if you're looking at this video, you're going to see that before I added the oil, everything was looking like it was just looking dry. So I didn't want my fish to be so dry. That's why I added a little bit of oil, so that when I apply it on the body, the fish is going to be saucy. So just go in and apply the fish on the body. The fish now. Just go in and apply your sauce on the body of the fish. Don't forget to cut, just like make few cuts on the fish, and then just apply, massage it inside, open the belly of the fish, massage everywhere, make sure the spice enters the fish, and then that's it. Do it for the second fish. Then for plantain, I noticed that if you want a very nice bole, I'm going to advise you use something that is not too hard, maybe like in the middle, almost soft and still in the middle. Because like this plantain I used, some of them were so soft, then some were hard, and I just felt like the ones that were like kind of hard, I didn't get the whole taste of the bole stuff. So you just want to use plantain that is medium. So that's it. Then once you're done opening your plantain, massage the remaining of your ingredients that you mixed earlier into your plantain. After you've just made a little bit of cut on the plantain, you just massage it into it. Then you go into the oven and put it there. Well, you can either use your oven. If you have an air fryer, that's good. I'll just put out a video later on how I use my air fryer and then the timing I use to get the best grilled fish and bole. So yeah, so in your oven, you're going to put your fish. You just have to be watching it. I didn't time it quite alright, but I was looking, and I just had to check it from time to time to see how the fish was, cooking. Then it got to a point I had to flip it. Don't forget to flip your fish. You have to flip it so that the other side will cook. Then you just keep on watching it till it's as brown as you want, but let it not burn. Then you do the same thing for your plantain. In fact, you would see your plantain, you will actually know when your plantain is almost done, because it will have this brownish effect. And yeah, that's it. So also for my sauce, I use shombo, a little bit of pepper, and then onions. I've used tomato before to make my sauce, but I would say that nah, I don't like the taste. It's nice, it's okay, but I just feel like I used to use my tomato and shombo to do it, but the first day I decided not to use my tomato. I preferred the one that just had only shombo, that is your cayenne pepper, and then your onions. Then you can add your garlic too. But then if you're the kind of person that likes using tomatoes in yours, you can try that out too. It's still going to be nice. It's just about like different taste at different times. So yes, that's just basically it. So in your pot you're going to add your red oil, then you fry your onions, then you put your pepper that you blended. It's better you rough blend your pepper. Don't use blender, because if you use blender, it will now, the outcome is going to be as if it's stew. We're not making stew, we want it to be rough a bit. So there's this manual blender. There's If you have a manual blender, you can use it. The ones that is as if, like if you're going to the market and you want to blend something here, so you can use your manual blender, because that's what I used to get the whole rough pepper. Then you just fry it, then you put your spices. Don't forget to put your Maggi, because the sauce is supposed to be nice, not bland. So you put your spice and then you just fry. While you're frying, I advise you taste it so that you just know when you want to. But then if you're frying something, you would know when what you're frying is almost done, but don't burn it. So yeah, so that's basically it. And I assure you, if you do it like this, your bole and your grilled fish, if you serve it to your family members, they're going to bite their hands. I served mine to my family of 6 and everybody loved it. So yes, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you more on my channel. And if you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, support me, and help your girl to grow. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.